At the heart of our agricultural heritage lies pig farming, an age-old practice dedicated to breeding and raising pigs, primarily for meat. These creatures, with their remarkable appetites and efficient conversion of feed to meat, have been the cornerstone of human agriculture for millennia, providing us with a consistently sustainable protein source. Casting our minds back 7,000 to 9,000 years, we'd find ourselves witnessing the initial domestication of pigs in the sprawling landscapes of Asia and Europe. These animals weren't just a food source, they were revered, intertwined with various cultural and religious practices, from the grand feasts of ancient Rome to the Lunar New Year festivities in Asia. Diving into pig farming means embarking on a quest to find the perfect breed. While breeds such as Yorkshire, Durham, and Hampshire are celebrated for their impeccable meat quality, others, like the large black or Tamworth, earn admiration for their ruggedness. It's a choice that hinges on a farmer's vision, whether they prioritize meat quality, adaptability, or swift growth. In the tapestry of modern pig farming, a vibrant thread of sustainability is emerging. Farmers today are increasingly leaning towards practices that ensure both the welfare of their pigs and the superior quality of the meat. There's a growing fondness of free-range systems, offering pigs the luxury of open spaces, allowing them to forage and live in a way that nature intended. A pig's future is intricately woven into its diet. Premium commercial feeds, abundance in grains, proteins, and essential nutrients are the key. Some farmers, in their quest for perfection, even opt for organic or homemade mixes, ensuring nothing but the best nourishes their livestock. Just as with many living beings, pigs too face the specter of diseases. Ensuring their well-being means regular health screenings, timely vaccinations, and an environment that's the epitome of cleanliness. Without these, threats like the African swine fever or porcine epidemic diarrhea could spell doom for entire herds. As pigs reach their destined market weight, a journey awaits them, a transition to the pork processing factories. This phase is pivotal, demanding utmost care to minimize stress, for any undue strain can tarnish the meat's quality. The pork processing factory is a realm of transformation. Here, the journey from a living, breathing animal to a packaged meat unfolds. It's a meticulous dance of multiple stages, each ensuring that every part of the pig is harnessed to its fullest potential. With the global consciousness gravitating towards animal welfare, modern pork processing factories are evolving. They are championing methods like electrical or gas stunning, ensuring that every animal is rendered unconscious, insensible to pain before the next stage, upholding both ethical and quality standards. Once processed, skilled butchers take over. They navigate the animal with precision, ensuring each cut of meat is perfect. Whether it's the prized pork belly, tenderloin, or the succulent ham, each piece is carved with an artistry that comes from years of expertise, readying it for kitchens around the world. Diving into the world of pork processing unveils a meticulous and artful journey, one that transforms a whole pig into a variety of cuts that grace the dinner tables worldwide. At the heart of this journey lies the pork cutting process, a methodical sequence that requires a combination of skill, knowledge, and precision. Beginning with the initial breakdown of the carcass, skilled butchers navigate their way through the animal, separating it into primary sections like the loin, belly, shoulder, and leg. Each of these primary cuts undergoes further detailed processing, leading to the variety of pork products we're familiar with, from succulent pork chops and tenderloins to flavorful bacon and ham. In the digital age, advanced machinery and tools have augmented the process, ensuring consistency and efficiency. However, the essence of pork cutting still lies in the hands of experienced butchers who, with their adept techniques, ensure the meat's integrity and quality are preserved. In today's information-driven era, as the importance of accessible and detailed knowledge about the pork cutting process cannot be understated. Consumers, ever conscious about the origins and processing of their food, are turning to search engines to demystify the journey of their pork cuts from farm to plate. To cater to this burgeoning interest, it's vital to provide in-depth, engaging content that elucidates each step of the pork cutting journey, highlighting the expertise and care that goes into ensuring every cut's perfection. This not only educates the audience, but also instills a sense of trust and appreciation for the craftsmanship behind their favorite pork dishes. Through integrating keyword-rich content, backed by expert insights and visually appealing media, the realm of pork processing can rise in search engine rankings, reaching a wider audience and becoming a beacon of knowledge in the vast digital landscape. Beyond the prime cuts, the magic of pork processing lies in the utilization of what many would consider waste. From the bristles used in brushes to the bones rendered for gelatin in our favorite desserts, a pork processing factory is a testament to the principle of waste not, want not. The digital age has not left pig farming untouched. From RFID tags for tracking individual pigs to using drones for monitoring large farms, technology is revolutionizing the way we raise pigs. It's about maximizing efficiency while ensuring every pig is given the best care possible. Modern pig farming and processing are not just about producing meat, it's about producing meat responsibly. With biogas plants that turn waste into energy to water recycling systems, the industry is continually seeking ways to lessen its environmental footprint, ensuring a greener future for all. The journey of a pig is not just from the farm to the factory, but from the farm to the global cuisines. Whether it's the Spanish jamón ibérico to the Italian prosciutto or the Chinese char siu, pork graces our plates in myriads of delightful ways, celebrating the animal's versatility and the culinary prowess of cultures worldwide. As consumers become more conscious of their food choices, the demand for ethically raised pork is on the rise. It's no longer about the end product, but the journey. From birth to processing, ensuring a life of dignity for the pigs is paramount, aligning our culinary desires with our ethical beliefs. Beyond the plate, pig farming stands as a robust pillar of many economies, offering livelihoods to millions. From the farmer who raises the pig to the truck driver transporting it to the market, it's a vast interconnected web of professionals, each playing a crucial role in bringing pork to our tables. One cannot stress enough the importance of biosecurity in pig farming. With potential outbreaks that can decimate herds and impact economies, stringent measures from disinfection protocols to controlled access ensure the safety of the pigs and the stability of the pork industry. At the heart of a successful pig farming operation and processing lies knowledge. Continuous training programs, workshops, and seminars are essential, ensuring that everyone involved, from the farmer to the butcher, is equipped with the latest techniques and information, upholding standards of excellence. Science is pushing boundaries in pig farming. Genetic research aims at healthier, more disease-resistant pigs, ensuring better meat quality and reducing the need for antibiotics. It's a glimpse into the future where technology and biology converge for sustainable pig farming. Pig farming and pork processing are more than just industries. They're a blend of tradition, innovation, ethics, and economics. They encapsulate our history, our evolving consciousness, and our aspirations for the future. As we savor that delicious piece of bacon or ham, it's a nod to a world that works tirelessly, ensuring that every bite is a culmination of passion, hard work, and dedication.